On this edition of Kababayan Today, we launch Foodie Fridays, and we've got mother and son team Marissa and Greggy Soriano sharing delectable recipes you can make at home. That's all next on Kababayan Today. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Chi Tonji at nanonood po kayo ng Kababayan Today. I'm very excited dahil ngayong araw na ito, ilo-launch natin ang ating bagong show, ang tinatawag natin na Foodie Fridays. Alright, alam naman natin, tayo mga Pilipino mahilig kumain, di ba? So kailangan matuto din tayo magluto. Kaya ang tinatawag natin sa araw na ito ay Foodie Fridays. And I'm really excited to introduce to you our guests for today. They are a mother and son team. Let's start it off with the son. Si Greggy is living his dream as a pastry chef and cake designer. He most recently appeared on Cake Boss, Next Great Baker on the TLC network. He was also cast in Beauty and the Geek Season 5 on the CW network, but he is known best for creating the world's most expensive cake, Marc Jacobs and Louis Vuitton tribute patchwork bag, and has been featured in many fashion and art-related articles. So kasama po natin si Greggy Soriano at kasama naman ni Gregory ngayong araw na ito, or tinatawag siya ng nanay niya, Gregorio pag galit siya. Ayan, lagot. Ayan, ang kanyang nanay na si Mommy Marissa. Hi, Greggy! Hi, Tita Marissa! Kamusta? Dobleng kiss!
Yeah, European kiss.
Di ba? I'm so excited na kasama namin kayo today. We're launching our Foodie Friday segment, and I figured what best to bring a mother and son team para naman makapagkwentuhan tayo habang nagluluto tayo, di ba? Okay, so subukan, simulan na natin. Okay, what are we making today, Greggy?
Today we're making longanisa corn dogs.
Longanisa corn dogs. Mami, natikman nyo na ba to? Baka naman hindi masarap.
Oh, masarap.
Masarap. Okay, so we're going to make longanisa corn dogs today. At the same time, we'll get to know Mommy Marissa and of course Greggy. So first of all, let's start off with our ingredients, okay? What do we need to make longanisa corn dogs?
All right, first we need the longanisa, and basically I like to get the longer size longanisa from the Asian market or Filipino market, and just so that they're a lot bigger, you don't get teeny weeny little corn dogs.
Right, you want a nice
big bite of longanisa.
Okay, that's our longanisa. You just fry that, diba?
We just fried it, so we simmered it in water, and then it evaporates, and then it caramelizes. And when you really want to get it caramelized because that's and it looks burnt, but that's the good part. It tastes yummy. It's caramelized.
Right, Tita, ikaw ba nung lumalaki si Greggy, pinapakain mo palagi nito?
Oo. Lalo na sa breakfast.
Oo, tama.
Lunch.
Ang longanisa is a breakfast food, di ba? Taga saan po kayo sa atin, Tita?
Bicol.
Ay, Bicolana. Ano pong salita doon?
Bicol.
Bicol. Paano ba yun? Turuan mo naman ako.
Mahirap sabihin. Gawa ng, sa Bicol, maraming dialects. Tawag nilang dialects.
In Bicol alone, there's so many dialects. Ano po yung dialect nyo?
Naga?
I've been to Naga.
Naga
What's
City?
up? Yeah, I've been to Naga City. Yeah, that's a fun place to be. Have you been there?
I've never even been there.
Oh, Greggy, we have to bring you to Naga.
Is it really nice?
Yeah, and then you can see the Mayon volcano, di ba? Malayo, dun sa Legazpi City. Okay, so aside from our beautiful brown longanisa, what else do we need, Greggy?
All right, so we need ingredients for our batter. We have cornmeal and flour and sugar and milk and baking powder.
Okay,
and
is there a special kind of milk you need?
I used evaporated milk. You could use any type of milk, but as long as there's fat in it, I don't want anything that's watery or 1% or 0.
Oh,
fat.
right, okay. You can't use a non-fat milk,
Totally,
right?
no.
Can you use heavy cream?
You could. That would make it extra naughty.
Oh, that would make it really good, right? Okay. Well, if you're watching your calories, just use regular milk. Greggy suggests that you use evaporated milk. That's what he's using today. Okay, so what do we need to make longanisa corn dogs?
All right, so first what we need to do is get the skewers and put the skewers inside the longanisa.
Okay, so we'll...
You can use the tongs, and Mom
Yeah.
has tongs right there too.
So ganyan, tutusukin lang
Oh,
natin.
Tutusukin.
Oh, yun. Okay, tama ba yan?
Mhm.
Nako, my kids love corn dogs.
Do they?
Yeah, I
Perfect.
mean, don't all kids love corn dogs?
Yeah.
Okay, so eto. So we do it to all the longanisas?
Yep.
All right.
And then I'm gonna put together
The batter.
the batter.
Okay,
So we'll
here.
get the bowl.
Why don't you put the batter together and me and Mommy Marissa will make tusok-tusok, not the fish balls, but the longanisa.
The longanisa.
Mom, could you hand me over that offset spatula, that mini one?
So, ang tawag sa'yo ni Greggy, Mom.
Yeah, Mom.
Oh.
Or
So,
Mommy.
Greggy is the youngest out of how many?
4. 4 boys.
4 boys.
4
Aba.
boys.
Nako. Eh, di magulo yung bahay nyo nung lumalaki itong mga to, ano?
Medyo, pero hindi naman. Nasa ano lang, discipline na.
Paano ba magdisiplina si Mommy, Greggy? Did you ever see the chinelas flying?
I did it because I was a good kid.
Oh,
But-
Greggy was a good kid.
Very good kid.
Well, you know, it's hard to discipline children because times have changed. Kasi nung araw, ako, kapag hindi ako nakikinig sa nanay ko, may belt na yan. Ganun talaga nung araw. That's not that, especially in the Filipino culture, you know, pag tumitingin ang nanay, kailangan tumahimik na, di ba?
Kailangan madala sa tingin.
Oo, yun. Kailangan madala sa tingin. Okay, when we return here on Kababayan today, we're going to learn how to put everything together and put it in the fryer. Okay, don't go away. Nagluluto po tayo ng longanisa corn dogs.